Everyone knows that volumetrics are essential for making an aesthetic and atmospheric scene inside of Blender, but especially when rendering with EEVEE you can run into some issues with your volumetrics, so today I'm showing two of those issues and how you can fix them. The first problem we have is that our volumetrics often look really bad as we pan the camera around, with these jagged edges on the side. This occurs because EEVEE takes slices of a volumetric object and displays them facing the camera as flat planes. These are known as samples. All of these samples overlaid create a three-dimensional effect and create our volumetrics. The issue is that we don't have enough of these samples going on for our cube, and that makes our edges appear jagged and rough. The easiest fix for this is to increase the volumetric lighting sample value, but that comes at a pretty big cost to performance, so I'll show you two better ways to do this. First of all, we can change the clip start and end values. This is the range in which EEVEE creates volumetric samples, so decreasing the distance between these values will make the samples be closer together, so more of them will register on our cube. We can also play with the distribution slider. This makes EEVEE take more samples closer to the camera, so a value of 0 means that samples are distributed equally, and a value of 1 means that samples are all compressed to be closer to the camera. And just like that, our cube is appearing far smoother. Now let's look at the second issue, which is light flares. If we place a point light inside of this cube, you can see that it creates this harsh flare around itself, which looks really ugly. This can be useful in some cases, but it's really good to know how to remove that. The secret here is the light clamping value. This controls the maximum brightness of light that can be contributed to the volume, but a value of 0 makes it unlimited. If we change this to a non-zero value, it will cut off all light above a certain brightness from contributing to our volumetric effect. That way, the bright flare at the center of the light is removed, leaving all this softer light around it, still influencing our volumetrics. Another solution to the flares is to just move the light source outside of the volumetric object if light clamping isn't giving you the right look. So now that we have those two problems fixed, you can go ahead and create something wonderful with the EEVEE render engine. But before you do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel if you want more tips like these and other tutorials as well. And if you really like this content, then go over to my Patreon, where you could have watched this video a couple days early and where you can also get the flashlight model that's present inside my demonstration scene. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.